How to register for a Gcash account. Welcome to my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's start to make easy money. This is mobile money service that lets you buy, load, purchase items, send and receive money, pay bills, and more using Globe or any other network. It's like having your wallet inside your phone, giving you hassle-free and safer ways to go cashless. Mobile payments with Gcash. Create an account to start enjoying cashless transactions with the Philippines' leading e-wallet. Now available for all networks. Get started. How to register for a Gcash account. Step 1. Click my link in my description.
Then click Next.
Step 2.
Click Proceed. Step 3. Enter your phone number.
Valid for any SIM card network.
Then click Next. Step 4. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone number. Then click Submit. Step 5. Enter your information.
First name, last name, birth date, exact address, and email address. Then, click Next. Step 6. Set your personal mobile 4-digit PIN. Click Submit. Congratulations, you're done. Download your Gcash application. And now log into your account. Open your Gcash application. Enter your mobile number. Then, click Next. Enter your personal 4-digit PIN. Second part. How to fully verify your Gcash account. If you want me to teach you more about this video, make sure you comment below and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for my next easy money tutorial. Click the 3 bars on your upper right corner. Click Verify. Two kinds of verification: semi and fully. Click Get Fully Verified. Step 1. Choose your one valid ID. Take a photo of your ID. Place your ID within the frame. Step 2. Get ready to take a photo of yourself. Step 3. Fill up and complete your information. Review your information. Then click Confirm. Congratulations, you're done. Application submitted. You're fully verified. Your bonus. Get instant, easy money of 50 pesos after you sign up. Sponsorship by Gcash. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing.